Yo, what is going on everybody? Shri Kanase here. So how I made roughly $28,000 in a single month selling this one product. Now it is no lie that one single product can literally change your life, but finding that one product is actually one of the hardest things to do. Believe me, it is not easy to find winning products. A lot of so-called gurus out there state that it takes one winning product to literally change your life. And while it definitely does take only one product, finding that one product is not an easy task. It will take you tens if not hundreds of failed product tests before you find that one single product. But this video is going to prove to you that one single product is all you need to literally change your life, because I'm going to be going over exactly how I found the product and then how I made the ad, what kind of ad it was, and then go on to how I scaled it. So if you're wanting to find winning products, especially those that do well with both Facebook ads as well as Google ads, this is one video you're going to want to watch until the end. But without wasting any more time, let's just jump right into it. So before going into the ins and outs of exactly how I found this product, how I scaled it, etc., I want to take you guys over to my Shopify store to show you some stats. So I'm going to be showing you the stats for a specific period of time, and the period of time is exactly a year back from today. It's in roughly January 1st of 2019 to February 10th of 2019. And as you guys know, Valentine's Day is coming very soon. So product that I'm going to be revealing is actually connected to Valentine's Day and was one of the main winners for this store, which I have on my screen. But this store did roughly $145,000 in the period of January 1st to February 10th. So a little over a month it took to do this amount. One thing I want to tell you guys is this amount is not counting the eBay sales that I did, because when I found this winning product, what I did is I posted the product on my eBay store and used the same description that I had on my Shopify store on that eBay product page. And it sold really well there. I think I did roughly $10,000 over there. So this number is around 155,000. But to tell you the truth, I had several winning products which helped me get to this number, which is why this video is not titled How I Made $145,000, because again, I want to scroll down and go to the specific top products by units sold list. And this is where I'm going to be revealing the exact product to you guys. Now, I can't really reveal these other products which made me a big load of money during that period of time, because I do still sell some of them to this day. But I want to reveal this one product to you as kind of a case study, so you guys understand exactly how to be finding these products, and also so that you can smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. But hopefully you have smashed that like button. But the product that I'm going to be revealing to you guys is the Valentine's Day exclusive Rose Bear. Now, I'm sure you've seen tons of ads being promoted for this product. It is basically a bear with plastic roses, and these roses are given the shape of a bear. But this is one of the best products to be selling during Valentine's Day, and in fact, this may not be a product that you can sell at this moment because it is Chinese New Year when I'm recording this video. All warehouses are closed, so you can't really drop ship at the moment so that it arrives before Valentine's Day. But for next Valentine's Day, you should keep this product in the back of your mind. But this product, as you can see, roughly on my store sold 485 units. And I was selling this product for roughly $50 on my store. So if you multiply 485 times around $50, and plus the fact that I was charging shipping and had these upsells and downsells going on, it comes out to roughly $25,000 just through this one product. And I want to show you guys exactly what this product is. So if we go ahead and come on over to this side, we can see that it is exactly this product right here, where the roses are covered up and the entire thing just looks like a teddy bear. So it is a very cute product, very adorable and perfect for Valentine's Day. But now that we've covered the basics, let's go ahead and go on over to the Google Doc and go over the ins and outs. So exactly how did I find the product? Well, I found the product through Facebook feeds. I was just scrolling through Facebook feeds one day when I saw that one guy in that specific niche was advertising this product, and he was advertising it heavily, because when I went on his Facebook page and clicked the info and ad section, what I saw was that he had multiple different variations of different ad copies, different video types, etc. for that product. So he was advertising this product heavily. In addition, the product video ad that I saw on Facebook had roughly 10,000 likes, a little bit over 10,000, with around 5,000 comments. Now, if you know Facebook ads, you know that these numbers are really good numbers. They're not bad numbers, especially if you're running conversion ad. And based on the amount of testing with different ad copies and video ads that he was doing, I was sure that it was a winning product, especially considering the fact that January had just begun. Now, a big disclaimer about products like these, because it is in fact a seasonal product. If you are to sell this product and if you are to find success with this product, what you'll notice is that it stops selling heavily after the time frame of it not delivering before Valentine's Day approaches. But these seasonal products sell well and really well if you sell it during the right time. Meaning, if you were to sell this product during October, November, it would not have sold at all, period. And during that time, you may have labeled this product as not a winning product. But if you had started advertising this product towards the later portion of December and the beginning of January, that's when things would have picked up tremendously. So that is one thing you want to keep in mind about these seasonal products. Selling them at the right time is really crucial to finding success. And to give you another example, if you were selling a portable air conditioner, you would not want to sell that product in wintertime, because during the wintertime, that is not a winning product. But during the summertime, that is definitely a winning product. So timing matters a lot in business, and especially in Shopify dropshipping, it matters when you advertise a specific product. So that is one thing about this product. I started advertising this right at the beginning of January, because if we go back to my specific Shopify store and look at the chart one more time, we can see that around the beginning of January is when the sale started picking up. And since I knew that this was a Valentine's Day product, I began heavily scaling this product. As you can see, I went from $1,000 days to roughly $3,000 in a matter of 10 days. So I tripled my sales amount and the profit as well, because I was very cautiously scaling only if I saw profits. But I tripled my sales and profit in just a 10-day period. And then pretty soon I was at a $6,000 day. Advertising it at the right time was really crucial for the success of this Shopify store. But again, another thing regarding the competitor was that there were consistent recent comments, meaning I was consistently seeing comments from people in the past 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, etc. So when you see consistent comments within the past hour, that's when you know that that person is significantly spending a large budget on that product. They're advertising that product significantly. So you want to kind of maybe advertise that product. But when I went onto AliExpress to search that product, what I noticed is that the AliExpress supplier, and there was only one of them which was selling it at that time, had roughly over 3,000 orders. If you look at it right now, we can see that it has crossed 14,000 orders. But this guy, even back in 2019, was the one with the highest amount of orders with around 3,000. These others, merely a few hundred orders. But looking at that really let me know that that product definitely had potential. And one more thing that kind of made me want to test it was that it had low reviews. So anytime you see a product with a large amount of orders but a low amount of reviews, somebody is drop shipping that product, because only then would they not leave reviews for that product. Criteria was matched for this product, and then I made the decision of advertising this product because, again, Valentine's Day was not that far away. So what did I do when it comes to the specific ads? Well, when it comes to the ad copy, I knew that I wanted to make the ad copy revolve somehow around Valentine's Day, because that's the day that was coming. So I began kind of brainstorming some things, some key sentences, and one key sentence that I kind of came up with, which later resulted in a large amount of success, was the specific sentence, special gift to give your lover. And I'll add the word special gift to give to your lover this Valentine's Day. So I was making the ad copy very, very relevant to the product and to the event that was coming up. That is one thing you want to do when it comes to advertising products which are around a specific occasion. Add as many emotional words as you can and try to incorporate the specific event's name inside the ad copy as well, because that is what drives those people to click on the ad and also purchase from you. And I didn't include this here, but the description should do the same. It should have some references to the specific occasion or event coming up. So that's what I did in the description. I mentioned Valentine's Day and surprising your lover. And one thing you want to know is that during this time, people go crazy over giving a gift to their lovers. And I kind of took advantage of that by mentioning it in my advertisements as well as my description. But your job does not end there, because the main portion of your job comes in the photo image or the video ad that you use for the product. So one thing a lot of people don't really do is that they don't relate the ad copy that they have to the video. So that is exactly what I did here. Keeping that in mind, what I did is I made the video around somebody giving a gift of the rose bear to another person. And I included the words which I had included in my ad copy as well. So words like lover, Valentine's Day, etc. One thing you guys don't know about me is that I absolutely suck at making video ads. I can make great photo ads, but I just don't make video ads that well. So what I did is I outsourced the video to somebody on Fiverr. But here, one thing you want to note is that the quality of the video didn't really make that difference, because number one, it was the occasion of gift giving. Valentine's Day was coming very soon, and just having a very, very general video would have sufficed. And that is exactly what happened in this case. The video wasn't the best, but the product itself was the one that was in demand. So even with the mediocre video, the product sold well. And plus I made sure to give good subtitles in the video which were relating to the specific ad copy. So that is kind of what got the product selling. And then that's when I decided, after getting some good data for a week or so, that I was going to scale it significantly to 6 figures and beyond. So since I was focusing on more other winning products as well. I couldn't really scale this itself because my attention was diverted, but I did do a good job of scaling, and I scaled through several different ways. The first one was scaling through lookalike audiences. What I did is I made every single possible option available on audience manager section of your Facebook ads and basically tested every single thing. Of course, not everything worked, but whatever worked, I scaled to the moon through duplication. Now, if you don't know how to scale by duplicating, I made a whole video on scaling with Facebook ads. The link should have popped up in the top right. Do watch that video after this one. But to this day, I still use those strategies when scaling the products. But in addition to using lookalikes that the audience manager provided, what I did is I uploaded a customer CSV file of all of those customers who placed an order over a certain amount, because since I had different winning products, I wanted to only choose those specific customers who ordered over a certain amount. In this case, who ordered over $40, so that this customer CSV file could include a large portion of those people who ordered the roast beer. And that made this customer CSV file extremely powerful, and that is exactly how I was able to crack those 6K, 7K, 8K days in a matter of a few days. But just going through Facebook ads was not enough, because I wanted to scale through Google ads as well, and that is something I focus on heavily today. But in 2019 I was doing the same thing, so I'm gonna take you over to my Google ads account to show you guys the campaign which was running this product. So here is the campaign. As you can see, the custom time frame is January 1st to January 31st of 2019, and the conversions really took off at the beginning of this month, but they continue to be really profitable throughout the month. But if you scroll down just a little bit, we can see the top 3 to 4 products were the roast beer, and the red roast beer specifically I spent $227 on, and I got 40 sales for that to make back $1,400. So that was really profitable. Again, the blue roast beer was something I spent $90 on, and I made $1,400 back. Another variation which was extremely powerful, the third and final one which was not that profitable, was the white roast beer, which I spent $40 to make back only $80. So not that profitable. The majority of the sales came from these two variations. But even with the low ad spend, I was able to crack really profitable days through Google ads. And that is the beauty of combining these different advertising platforms to your advantage. Again, I could not really scale this to the moon because I was so focused on Facebook ads and scaling through Facebook ads, especially my other winning products. But once I did start scaling with Google, I kind of let it run in the background, focused all of my energy on scaling with Facebook, and that is exactly how I was able to crack a 6-figure month during 2019. But this is exactly how I made $25,000 with just one single product, and how one product is all you need to change your life. But if you found any type of value in this video, smash that like button and smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.